In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pictures from an eBay listing. Whether you're trying to save images for reference, comparison, or just because you like them, this straightforward process will make sure you can do it easily and efficiently. First, let's head over to eBay's official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in eBay's URL, or simply search for eBay in your search engine. Once the homepage loads, log into your account if you're not already signed in. You'll find the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Logging in not only gives you a more personalized experience on eBay, but it also ensures that your browsing session can be saved for later reference. Now that you're logged in, let's find the item whose pictures you want to save. Using the search bar, which is prominently displayed at the top of the page, type in the name or a description of the item you're looking for. It could be anything from electronics to clothing, so be specific to get the most relevant results. After entering your search query, press the Enter key or click the Search button to see a list of available items. Once you see the list of items, browse through the options and click on the item listing that looks most promising or matches what you were looking for. Clicking on an item will take you to its detailed listing page, where you'll find more information about the product, including various pictures provided by the seller. With the listing page open, it's time to select the picture you want to download. Scroll down to the image section, which usually appears prominently midway through the page. Locate the specific image that you'd like to save. After deciding which one it is, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Save Image As, or a similarly worded option depending on your browser. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose where you'd like to save the image on your device. You can select an existing folder or create a new one if you prefer to organize your images in a specific way. Naming the file appropriately will help you find it easily later on. After choosing the desired destination and confirming the file name, click the Save button. The image will then be downloaded to the location you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to copy pictures from an eBay listing. This simple process means you can build a collection of images from various listings without a hitch. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps with different listings and items. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsings on eBay.